Good morning, guys. I am getting ready. I'm headed to the gym, so I do super minimal skincare since I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna sweat. And then I'm gonna wash my face after. So I wanted to just do something super minimal. And while I was doing it, I was like, oh my God, how have I never ever talked about Pavise Eye? I love using this in the mornings. It gives immediate tightness because all of the super advanced ingredients. So I figured right now, as I'm putting it on to get ready for working out, that we could do a 5-minute review. If you guys have been here for any amount of time, you know I love playing around with eye products. Eye creams and eye serums are one of my favorite treatment products next to cleansers. I know it's crazy. I love a good cleanser, but I love talking about using, trialing, and then sticking to a really great eye cream. And when this came out, it was coined bluff in a bottle, and that's exactly what it is. So Pavise Precision Lift is a AM and PM eye cream. It's an all-in-one. It has growth factors, it has peptides, it has antioxidants, it has vitamin C. And if you hear any of those ingredients, you know that we are treating 360 around the eye for lifting and firming, fine lines and wrinkles, preventative, as well as helping with dark circles. So it's an all-in-one. Any concern that you have about the eye, this can treat it. And very unique, and not a lot of eye products we can say this about, but it can be used on the lid and over the eye as well to lift that area, which is why it's called bluff in a bottle. This is for the very delicate eye skin, so no matter if you are sensitive or not, you can use this. The peptides that they utilized in this formulation actually signal your skin to ramp up the production of collagen and elastin, which is exactly what is going to firm and smooth the eye area over time. These are made in a lab growth factors, so they're synthetic, but what growth factors do, whether synthetic or natural, they are little messengers that tell your cells to rejuvenate, to act more youthful, and to heal. And they are all doing this at the cellular level. And that is going to help your skin stay resilient, youthful, and healthy. In the Pavise Eye, there is also marine collagen. And that is what you are actually going to feel on application. You will feel, as soon as you put this on, the area actually start to firm and tighten. It's going to give an immediate plumping and lifting effect. So you're going to immediately see smoother lines on application. And that makes it extra amazing for morning use and great under makeup. If you know me, you know I love peptides, especially neuropeptides. There are so many different peptides. They all target something different. And I am a peptide queen. Majority of my products are loaded with peptides, which is why I also reach for this a lot in the morning. So these peptides are neuropeptides. So they work like Botox, where they stop or kind of blur. I can't say stop. They blur the communication of contractual movement. So if you are like me and you are very expressive when you talk, that creates stagnant lines. So that neuropeptides are specific where they kind of blur that communication. So where you usually have deep resting lines or significant lines on movement, that slows that down so they are less noticeable. And like I said, this is also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. It's a stabilized vitamin C, so it's pH neutral and you don't have to worry about being sensitive or irritating in the eye area. It's not only going to help with dark circles, but we are preventing with these antioxidants and vitamin C to help long-term the defense against pollution and any type of free radicals. And of course, vitamin C is also amazing for helping with collagen and elastin, making it firmer and more resilient. But what I really love about Pavise Eye is its multi-layer delivery system. Delivery systems are so important in any formulation, but Pavise uses a multi-layer delivery, which is so unique. Actually, maybe the first time I've ever heard of it. And it actually delivers different ingredients to different areas of the skin and releases it at different times. So it's sophisticated enough to know when to actually release the ingredients out of the safety shell. This also means you're gonna get maximum benefits without irritation. So what can you expect when using this product, both immediate and long-term? Of course, you're gonna get that immediate boost of hydration, firmness, and lifting, but long-term, you are gonna see impactful results in all of these areas. Because Pavise also has humectants and other hydrating factors, you are also just going to feel like your skin around the eye looks less crepey. You're gonna have very little fine lines and wrinkles and crow's feet, if any. Like, this truly completely resurfaces the area without being irritating. So basically, just like a bluff in a bottle, you're going to experience full transformation of the eye area regarding firming, lifting, and smoothing. One of my favorite things about the Pavise Eye is the texture. It's silky, lightweight, but absorbs super quickly. So there is no need to put it on, wait 20 minutes before applying any other products, makeup, SPF, anything. It completely absorbs right in with very minimal effort. There will be no pilling and no heaviness. So we are talking long-term results with immediate repair. This product helps with the full structural support of the eye area, skin regeneration, muscle relaxation, and antioxidant protection. And because of the gradual release technology, it is going to be great for all types of eyes, whether sensitive or not. For best results, I do recommend using it morning and night. You're going to put it on after cleansing, but before your moisturizer. You're going to gently pat it in with your ring finger, and you can also do your orbital lid and below the brow bone. Okay, that's my little deep dive on the Pavise Precision Eye Lift, why it is so exciting as an eye cream and why I personally love it. I personally love technology that has never been seen before, and all Pavise products are just that. But the Eye Lift, I think, is personally extra special because not a lot, if any, eye products have this entire complete ingredient list, and nothing has this delivery system. You will see a big difference over time.